document either gets distributed to many, many more people, or to, let's say, alter some of the information on the document to make sure no one knows who it actually came from. So,
and in the end, something that is sometimes done is that you can retype the document, or just quote selective parts of it. If the source is really, really concerned, you can just quote particular bits, and then you hope that those few pieces that you quoted didn't have the magic word in them. But once again, this has never happened to us, and we've put out a hell of a lot of stuff. And there's many ways, you know, someone gives documents to a few people, 5 people, but actually they also give them to the whole computer network. So they give them to many more. There's things thrown in the waste paper basket. There's a big difference between suspicion and proof. Anyway, my answer to you is, if any source is saying, oh, well, how do I eliminate this possibility in my particular circumstances, just come to us. We will work out a way through it. We will send out extra copies of get you to send out extra copies of the document internally to make sure it's in many more people's hands, as an example. There's always been a way through for the people that we've worked with. Sometimes they can be custom solutions, other times, if it's something we've experienced many times in the past, then we know what to do straight away.
Okay.
But the important thing is to work through it. If you have some intelligence, there is always a way to get it through.
Okay, but so if a source has to approach you, then you could be pressable to reveal the name of the source.
No.
Because if you have communication with the source, this communication can be tracked.
It depends on how they approach us. So they can approach us through our encrypted server over SSL, and they can come via Tor, as an example. They can send us things in the post, which is a good method if you can't understand the technology enough to understand if it's secure or not. Send stuff in the post. You can use a different computer, you can use a different telephone. There's always a way if you care. Always.
Is there a how-to
that's what we are working on, actually.
Okay.
We are working on a how-to and why and how to leak documents guide that will be provided to.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. It's inspired by a gentleman in the audience here. So the idea is to distribute it to parliamentarians right before they're going on summer holidays, or on the summer break, and to make sure to capture that inertia that there is to make something happen. So, okay, but I think we're sort of running out of time. So thanks again for the patience and the interest, and hope to see you all next year. Enjoy the conference.